aba amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi
Ya toka se bono so e wa Kumawu TV Ya Jackson release new gospel song.
Okay.
Fan dubbed her Pentecost.
Hey, you know what? Pentecost is also Pentecost.
So, of course, no one.
There be a repentance. Also, Ya Jackson releases new gospel song. Fans doubt her repentance. Meaning, say Ya Jackson at me. I want a woman. A Papa Bishop and I have to be an etching. Ya person church was a son. Was a say free. San young man, no to sa a Jamanium Kagaran. Was a so we're driving in a go until the sentence of a tunyam. Yea, na the fans now almost follow Ya Jackson is of one. Say, ya packers will bet me as a son, ya intimate as a son. It's videos now, but the Yoma or Yenina, our day back out in Yenina, a trunk one, body. It's the fans in the Omun Jin to say Ya Jackson.
Or be Tanyum and our cast selling you and our cast selling.
Well, Charles, sorry, no, you share screen is to say, almost a picture and it just what. You have to tell the Bible, just what's a son. What's a son, yes. Yes, and no, if you want to say, dinner, yeah, I said, yesterday was a son, but they died down.
Lana for me already you. Yes, please go away watching your man. Ya Jackson. Yes, who I don't want to send me a moon. Was the sound. Was the sound. I was of Yaku one on my ass. Ya Jackson. I saw about selling him. Now, I found him. I just said, yeah, sure. I don't want to take some. One of us selling you. No one down. So, please, one naked. This person now, you are naked. The world see you are naked. Your papa is out of there. Social media. Every day, Ya Jackson, your papa, and your bottles. Display the social media. This time, you tell the Ghanaians the word that your papa is outside. You tell the Ghanaians your papa is not outside. Thank you, my granddaughter. The who's the woman you want to move? The name may be a year, so that we can already with TV. You are crying. What's the sign, yeah? Oh, yeah, papa, living in no industry. Ni papa, yeah, director, Michael Jackson, director Jackson. I know also the Justin Kevin too. And now, yeah, I'm sorry, I'm and now, when you come out to me. It's yeah, what was the sound?
Kumawu TV aba amansane